Hey everyone, it's Johnny Ya, and today's video will be about the Today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day look, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this, look shebang from the Morphe 3502 palette that I just got. So stick around for the tutorial. You know how it goes. I don't have to explain it. You watch enough of these kind of videos to understand. So I completed my face and I did my eyebrows, and I'm just going to go ahead and move on to eyeshadow. So first off, I'm going to take Universal. Is this gorgeous color down here. And I'm just going to sweep that right on my crease.
As you can see, it's universal, so it doesn't have that much differ. I'm going to tap into it again from the other eye. I'm going to go right into my crease.
Once it looks pretty evened out, you could go ahead and transition. But I'm not going to do that. Okay, using the same brush, I'm going to actually dip into this orange color right here. And I'm going to concentrate that again on my crease. Stop coughing, I'm recording.
So I'm just using the same brush because this is my blending brush.
I'm going to switch over to another blending brush, or you could just go ahead. I don't fucking know. I actually don't know. I'm just using random brushes for my eyes. And I'm going to go into this red right here. So like one step over. Tap into it, and I'm going to concentrate that more on my outer corner.
Of my crease. So it looks like I rubbed my eye like way too much.
And I'm going to tap again, and I'm going to put it right inside there. Inside my inner eyelid. After you look like a creepy weirdo with red and orange eyes, I'm going to switch brushes again. And I'm going to dip into this brown down here. It's right here. And I'm just going to go right over with, I'm going to go right over the red just to darken it up. I'm going to go back in with my first blending brush that I used with all the oranges here, and I'm just going to blend out the harsh edges here. I'm going to go in with some concealer here, and I'm just going to go and just like dab that.
You know, clean up the inside here. Make it a little bit brighter for all of us. Maybe widen it a little bit. When you look like a freak, this is, you know, you
I'm
are doing
going
a
to
good
go
job.
into this lighter color here. Pack on some product and lay it down. I'm going to take a blending brush, the one from before with all the neutrals and the oranges, and I'm just going to buff out the colors just so like it accepts it more. I'm going to go in with my brown just to touch up the whole look and to carve out my goddamn eye. Just gonna put on my eyeliner. You know how that goes. That's fine. When in doubt, go all out. Ugh. I'll be right back. So I've popped on my favorite pair of lashes that are like not doing me any justice today. Don't ask me what these are. I got them off eBay like a long time ago. You know, there's just something about these lashes. Like, I think they're on Cricut. You know what? I think these will work. Now I'm gonna move on to the lips. I want, since my whole eye is like orangey, like red, orange. I'm gonna go in with ColourPop. This is in the color Tulle. It's like this really pinkish type of color. I was gonna use like a more like natural, like a more natural looking pink. would have been a much wiser choice, honestly. I'm gonna go in under again with my under eyes just because I feel like it's just not enough. So this time I'm gonna go back in with the red only. I just feel like it's not enough. Okay, like now, like this is like, you know, this is okay. My favorite part next is highlight. I'll be using the Aurora by Anastasia. I don't even know which color. I like to do very icy, but since we're doing like whole Valentine look with the pinks and the oranges, I think I would go with, I don't know, maybe the purple one would be kind of cool, like an icy tone purple. I'm gonna try that out. Maybe I'm gonna just do it on my nose. Yeah, I totally agree. Purple. We're using purple today.
I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply with my fingers because I feel like there's no need for. And we just go blend it out. I might just tap up here, right on there, and on my chin. This is just gonna be like the base of it, honestly, because I really like to highlight.
So I'm gonna take my other Anastasia, my Glow Kit one. I'm gonna dip into Snow, just because. And then just to like blend out my highlight, I'm just gonna take a fan brush and just. Alright, and I feel like this is the completed look for Valentine's Day. Let me know what you guys like, what you guys don't like. Let me know what you guys want to see. And I think that's it with this video. And I'll see everyone. I honestly don't know when. Just whenever I post up a new video.